This is the longest 1 minute in my life. I've never stayed on a orchard or farm before, so this is a first for us. Here we are. I'm ready, Captain. Let's go pick some cherries.
This is my view while I help. Yeah, they got a little weight.
Brian's just probably having flashbacks to that. I'm gonna grab you a Band-Aid.
Okay.
Just to make it easier. Oh my gosh. Freaking 90 degrees out, and Brian just shut all the doors in the truck. Lake time.
Why is it that whenever you hop in your car and you're going for a long trip, you always start craving junk food? Fast food, burgers, French fries, milkshake. Katie and I were talking about this once before, and we relate it back to when we were younger. You'd go on vacation, and usually the first stop out of town, in my case, was you'd stop by some junk food place, and that's what your parents would feed you, so you could get the heck out of Dodge and try and make it to your destination.
If you could have any roadside food meal, what would you have?
I'd like 2 corn dogs. Then I would like a hamburger with bacon and onion rings with a root beer and crisp cut fries, seasoned.
What are you gonna dip those bad boys in?
Barbecue sauce and ranch. What about you? What are you having?
No dessert?
No dessert. Let me come back to that.
What would I have? Charbroiled chicken club sandwich with fries from Del Taco and the beans from Del Taco to dip those fries into. A Wendy's Frosty chocolate. And my drink would be a Baja Blast from Taco Bell. We'd have to make 5 different stops to make that meal happen, but you know, that's what sounds good at the moment.
I think I'm gonna go with the McDonald's apple pie, which I don't think I've had in 35 years, 30 years maybe. I think that'd be my choice.
And when you say that, you're referring to the old school deep fried one, right?
Yeah.
Not the new baked.
No.
Gotcha.
Not the healthy version.
No, we don't do that.
The sad part about this whole story is that we never stopped for junk food. Other than entering the Canadian border was the first place that we truly stopped for junk food.
This is the longest 1 minute in my life. I've never stayed on a orchard or farm before, so this is a first for us. Here we are. The destination is on the right. Before parking, register at house.
We've arrived. Now it's time to go check in. I'm looking forward to staying here at this one. It was something that Katie has wanted to do for a while, so being able to do it on her birthday would be that much more fun.
We still have to pay and all that.
Yeah.
And I don't know how long. We're all settled in for the next 4 nights, and we are right next to a bunch of cherry trees that we can pick from. There's also a fence behind us that is still a working farm or orchard. I'm not sure what they call it for cherries, but they pick cherries right back there behind us. And they usually start the cherry picking early in the morning, so the picking process doesn't bruise the cherries, because that's when they're the firmest. Learned that from my friend Ismail, so thanks, buddy, for that fun fact. But yeah, we woke up to this morning to the sound of cherries falling in a bucket. It kind of sounded like bongo drums, which made me crack up a little bit. So this morning, Brian made me a tea with some cherries smashed in it because I love berries in my Earl Grey. If you haven't tried it, it's amazing. And I'm going to be making some oatmeal with cherries and nutmeg in it as well. What's up, Buttercup?
Just checking out the farmers. Already working this morning, grabbing all those cherries off the tree. They got giant crates of them already going.
Yeah.
You know, and it's really pretty because they have just sparse amounts of leaves in there. The greens are still in there a little bit just to contrast it. So,
but we're gonna enjoy our tea and coffee, relax a little bit, and then make some oatmeal. I'm ready, Captain. Let's go pick some cherries. If you've never picked cherries off of a tree with your partner, oh man, are you even living? I don't know where you were.
this is my view while I help.
We recently found ourselves at Dickinson Farm, where you can park your RV and walk straight into a cherry orchard, like some kind of fruit-loving royalty. And let me tell you, picking cherries with your partner, it's basically a romantic comedy with snacks. We were laughing the whole time, cherries popping off branches, bowls filling up fast, and a not so strict no eating while picking policy that we immediately broke.
All right, let's see how she did on her first ladder pull. Oh man.
Look, when the cherries are that good, self-control is just a suggestion. We were dreaming up all kinds of plans. Cherry pie, cherry cocktails, cherry jam, but spoiler alert, most of them got eaten before they made it to the trailer. So if you ever get the chance to pick cherries with your better half, do it. It's messy, it's sweet, and it's way more fun than couples therapy. I think we're good for a year.
Did I improve our status? What do you mean a year? I'm gonna eat this in like 3 hours. I'm gonna feel sick to my stomach, but I don't care. Give me some cherry facts. What were you saying earlier today?
Oh, cherries have melatonin in them and they help you go to sleepy time. They help you sleep. Cherries have melatonin and they help you sleep.
Okay, so we got the scale out.
Yep.
We are in pounds and ounces.
5 pounds,
2.3 ounces.
2.3 ounces.
What'd you say?
5.5.
You did not say 5.5. Do you see this shit?
I said 4.5, you win. Plus, at Dickinson Farm, the cherries are fresh, the vibes are good, and the RV spot comes with a side of fruit.
All right, we had to take a pause on the cherry picking because one of our neighbors, who I believe is a permanent resident here, needs help moving his trailer to the stall next to his. We're gonna go help him out and do that.
Do we need to go up a bit more? Oh, we need to go up a bit more, yeah?
Quite a bit. Yeah, they got a little weight on it.
Most of them now have it. You can use a drill or they're electric, right? They just do it themselves. They're so easy. This is the old way.
We were on a sailboat for a little bit, so Brian's just probably having flashbacks to that.
Yeah, we used to kind of make it a habit of raising our mane manually.
Okay. Yeah.
So it was always...
It was a good workout. Eh?
Yeah, every day.
Oh, do you want a Band-Aid?
I will need more than that. Oh, he's got a little struggle too.
I'm gonna grab you a Band-Aid.
Okay.
Just to make it easier. Oh my gosh. Brian's bleeding again. Shocker. I am the designated Band-Aid getter. Really should just keep one in my pocket at all times. Will it be high enough? We actually need to come down.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
You guys were a bit too.
Overachievers.
That was pretty good touch. I'll undo this one a bit.
You guys are too good at your job.
There's somewhere.
That might be good, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, maybe just move that lever. I don't know if that'll hit the back, but yeah, thank you. Should be money.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
We're locked in.
Locked in.
And I'll move all this stuff there. I'll get the boards over there.
Might have come from our truck.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I think the front, so yeah, it's a big rock. So yeah, like this side right here, maybe just a.
I need you,
Yeah.
when I start cranking some angles,
Uh-huh.
I need you to just double
check.
check the pinch point that we don't hit,
Anything.
right?
with
And
it.
if you
Okay.
see it, just immediately say, stop!
Okay, yeah.
Simple as that.
That's basically perfect.
Yeah, that's perfect. We're good.
Thank you guys.
Yeah, no problem, man.
We're jacking. You're up there.
Nice. All right, you're good.
Well, thank you. That was so awesome.
Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Little girl.
A little girl.
She's not supposed to be outside without her leash. Her name's
What?
Poppy.
Poppy, it's
I got her on Remembrance Day.
Oh, yeah?
Aw.
Yeah. You know, and I got her from a pumpkin patch.
Aw.
Yeah.
But it's okay.
Hi.
Hmm.
Yeah, she's nice. Yeah.
No. She's a buddy.
Oh yeah, she comes to the lake with me to come swimming.
Oh.
She puts her
Really?
paws in the water and stuff.
Ah,
Brave kitty.
I
That's
know.
awesome. All right.
Okay, now I need to water the plants because I've been saying that for a day now. And they look crispy. It's freaking 90 degrees out and Brian just shut all the doors in the truck trying to be all sure. Come on, Brian. Let that air in. Lake time.
So we're here at Okanagan Lake. This place is absolutely amazing. Obviously, if there's a lake, you know that we're gonna come to it. It always makes us happy, and today is brilliant. It's 90 degrees outside, sun is shining. Clouds are coming in, but the valley here is so big that you can see the clouds and the rain coming in that probably won't be here till maybe 5 or 6 this evening. Yeah, out here there's day boats cruising around, there's wakeboarders, there's locals, there's fellow RVers traveling and just stopping by. Everybody's catching a swim. I thought the water here would be insanely cold because we're in Canada, but it's extremely refreshing. It's comfortable. You could take a swim. Katie's in the water and she's out of here. She's probably 50 yards away already swimming in it. There's even my favorites here, sailboats on the lake. We actually passed a marina when we were running an errand and saw a whole marina worth of sailboats. That makes me happy.
I have not used my swimming muscles really since we left the boat. It's a little more tiring than I would want it to be. But the water is the perfect temperature for swimming in. It's not that super crisp light when it's cold, but it's refreshing enough to actually swim in.
Fire has erupted over here.
Fire looks like it's getting a little bit closer to where we are, which is mildly concerning, so we're packing up and we're getting out of here just to make sure we're by our home to figure out our next move.
Yeah, I hope they get everything under control here.
Yeah.
For all the people that live in the area.
It's a little windy down here. I don't even know how windy it is over there on the other side of the mountain.
And we just watched this boat pull in behind us, and we both think that that's maybe a ranger boat or something like that, or a lake official that's clearing the lake out for the water planes to start flying in this direction, which is into the wind, and start refilling.
This place has been quite the treat. The price, very reasonable, probably just about average. And we came up during cherry picking season, so for the past couple days of staying here, we got to pick as many cherries as we wanted. We made cherry oatmeal, cherry vodka, drinks, and had a good time. Everyone here that's working here is super friendly and just really funny, genuinely good people. The other residents that are attracted to this place, staying for a month or a couple days, everyone was super nice. 10 out of 10, I would definitely come back here.
Thank you, Dickinson Farm.
Yeah, thank you, Dickinson Farm. We definitely enjoyed ourselves. We chose it for my birthday, and I'm definitely glad that we did. Everyone evacuated due to the wildfire was expected to return home by Friday evening. Most importantly, homes were not lost and no one was hurt. The fire started Wednesday afternoon after a vehicle malfunction sparked flames that quickly moved towards homes on the north side of town, forcing hundreds to evacuate. Crews worked overnight to suppress hot spots, and retardant and water drops helped cool the fire's behavior. By Friday, 35 wildfire fighters and the Peachland Fire Department were still on scene. Thanks to their fast efforts and effective response, the community is safe and heading home.